Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing something that isn't new. It's just one of my little favourites, one of those quirky little things that I really love, and anybody that owns a turntable or a significant record collection should probably own one of these. It's the Spin Clean record cleaning system. Now, this is now their second version. It's an excellent product. It's a wet washing bath that comes with quite a comprehensive way of ensuring that your records end up beautifully clean, and I mean beautifully clean. In fact, cleaner than factory new because of some of the oils and things that are used in the production process. So here we go. Now, looking at it, full colour box. Explains pretty easily what you're likely to see in the box, and of course how a record may sit in it. There's a bit of branding on one side and then a full amount of information on the other. Okay. Opening this, I don't require a knife. It's a simple sort of pull tab of cardboard, and then the lid itself opens. The top section is sort of some storage because the packaging is actually utilised by the version that comes with a few larger fluid and a few more accessories. But the one that we see in New Zealand is the most basic and by far the most popular. Opening it up to the next flap, we get into the implication of what's inside. Firstly, there's a couple of cleaning cloths. Now these are used to dry records after you have washed them. These are lint free and they're quite a different sort of texture. Kind of remind me of a muslin cloth that's maybe through the wash about 150 times. So there's two of those in the pack. Then, removing the rest, it's in a bright colour. Right? So there we have the record cleaner itself. The lid, which is designed to easily come on and off between cleans, helps to then protect the rest of the stuff that's on board. The first part I'm going to take out, although you will want to put these back in again if should you clean anything, and that's the felt pads. Now, these are designed to get wet. I guess they're not designed to stay wet, so between cleans you'd probably dry them out. They have the felt pad, when wet with the grip, allowed to get right into the grooves of that record, and it's brilliant. Being the fact that there's two means, of course, it's cleaning both sides of the records at once. Okay. Second is the rollers. Now these rollers sit inside the record machine, and please hang around for some of the photographs where I'll see these. You'll see close-up photographs of me assembling this and chucking a record in so you could see. There is the Spin Clean fluid. Now this is where the magic happens, although it's probably some generic detergent. It's very well thought out, and it's exactly the right concentration to ensure that there's enough of a sort of detergent and degreaser or whatever it is that works that allows the dust and debris to drop away from the records, but also not so much that the record itself may become dry or brittle. Okay? Now, additional to all of those is, of course, the record cleaning owner's manual. Now, that's a very simple single A4 page, and that's all that it needs to be. I mean, it's perfect. It doesn't need to be a difficult thing to use. Okay, so there we have all of the bits. Entering it and putting it all together is very straightforward. Again, I'm just going to slot these rollers in. Now, hopefully you can see, and again hang around for the photographs, you'll see the three different slots for the three different size records, all the way down to the smallest. The depth of the slot also varies to ensure that the record label never gets wet, and so these actually appear higher as you use the smaller records. Now it's a very simple approach to assemble this. Again, we're going to put in those pads. Now the process of cleaning it is also very easy. We recommend filtered water or bottled water. If you're on a very good natural aquifer, like parts of Christchurch perhaps, then you could just use tap water, but again the filtered water would be ideal. You fill it up to the line. There's a groove in here, it's quite obvious, and again I'll try and take some photographs. Fill it up, it's got a curved tank to the base of it, so there's not actually a lot of water. And then you just put 3 capfuls of this per fill. And that's enough to do between 10 and 30 records depending on how dirty they are. And a recommendation is that you actually go and clean your dirtiest ones first. The ones that are physically, the ones that whoops, you got your oily fingerprints from when you're eating pizza on the record. That's the one you want to clean first. Then flush everything out, wash it all under a tap, rebuild it and start again from scratch with some of your cleaner and better records, so that you end up cleaning twice the ones that are much dirtier. So hang around and I'll show you what it looks like. Just grab this record. It slots in like this, and with the fluid it then very, very easily turns or spins. Hence its name, the Spin Clean Record Cleaning Machine, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.